Hi everyone, we are here at my home in New York with the beautiful Brittney Foley of Beautifuls. She is going to do a CEO on the go, no makeup look that's going to take less than 5 minutes to achieve.
Yep. Okay, so first I am going to start by priming her face with the Crème du Nil. And I'm just going to put a little pea size on my hand and massage it into her skin. Prepping your skin is super important because the softer your skin is, the better your makeup applies. I'm going to prep her lips again with the LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. Again, just a tiny bit on the tip of my finger. This much. Perfect.
It's such a good balm. I actually use this when I go hiking because my skin gets really dry and like cracks, and so if I'm like in the outdoors, I'll keep it as a balm.
It's so nice. Yeah, so nice. So real quick, I'm just going to apply a MAC paint pot in the shade Indianwood on her eyes. It's super quick, self-setting, and it's like a 1, 2, 3 eyeshadow that you don't really have to do anything with. I usually like to work with eyes, and then this way if anything falls, drops, or anything, you can just wipe it right up, God forbid. So I'm going to then do your eyeliner. This is the STILA Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. And I'm a huge believer in the Beauty Blender. It's just so quick and easy.
Again, better than my fingers, which is what I normally use. And how do you find it blends over the Crème du Nil?
I find it blends perfectly. It literally looks flawless. It's smooth. Your skin looks nice and still like hydrated underneath. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, is when you're putting on your makeup and it gets all dry because your skin's not moisturized. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Goddess Glow for a nice cheek blush highlight duo. It's so beautiful. I literally wear this all the time.
Me too.
It's so pretty.
I wear it in place of eyeshadow.
It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna use the back of my Beauty Blender. And I will say that it looks gorgeous on every complexion. Like, I have a completely different complexion than you do, and it looks gorgeous on you. It looks really pretty when I wear it as well. So pretty. Pick back up on the same brush that I used before with no added product, and I'm just going to run it over the bottom of the eyeliner. Next, I just like to brush through the brows, but I like the Benefit products. You have beautiful brows, so you don't really need to do too much. I'm just gonna brush through them just so that they're all going the same way. So open and look down. You're glowing.
It's all due to you, sister.
And your products.
And our products.
And then for the lip, I'm going to grab the Laura Mercier. These are the Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks, but it's not going to be too matte because she already has the Nilotica Melt on her lips. And I just like to kind of pat a little bit of color into the lips, nothing too crazy. So pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I feel like a CEO.
Well, you look gorgeous. You are
Thank you.
glowing, radiant.
Our products are all about giving work to women, so especially for women who run companies, who are boss ladies, who have their own Instagram followings and who are growing as influencers. We really try to celebrate women at the base of the supply chain, the women who make the products that we use every
That's
day,
amazing.
and ensure that they're paid living wages and are working in conservation areas. So we're really proud to stand for beauty for humanity, and thank you so much for sharing our mission.
Of course, my pleasure.